Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I absolutely love being out on the water on a stand-up paddleboard, and I have really come to love this 11-foot, 6-inch paddleboard from Winnovate. For one thing, it is so stable. Not only is it super long, but it also is 35 inches wide, so you can easily do so much on this board. I felt extremely comfortable getting right up on my feet, paddling around. The anti-slip mat is so nice and comfortable. It's easy to be on it in your bare feet, kneeling or sitting down, and it's just such a smooth ride. This comes with 3 detachable fins. I really like that too because having those 3 fins can help aid stability and maneuverability. This is such a well-made board. You can see that the seams are reinforced. It is very durable, and I used it out on our local river and lake and just had so much fun with it. This comes with everything that you need to have an amazing day out on the water. It comes with a double-ended paddle, a leash, a dry bag, and also a bag that you can put things like your keys, or I put my camera in it. This board also comes with bungee cords on the front and the back and lots of D-rings. I love that it has 3 super sturdy handles. It's easy to move around because of that, and you can even tow things because it has those kind of handles. I got the ocean current design. It's beautiful colors of aqua with some contrasting coral in the middle, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. This is such an amazing, durable stand-up paddle board. You're not going to be disappointed with it, and it's going to last you for many seasons, and that's my point of view.